Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quen here. So today I am doing my November highlights. I'm using the kit from Sadie stickers with the decorative sidebar. I did pick up the weekly deco as well as the extra monthly deco. So I'm gonna quickly lay down the base and I will be back. So I was going to start by creating a scene and using a script that says Hello November, but upon checking, I had already used the November Hello November in my weekly, so I guess I'm gonna have to start buying double instead of just buying one. Here I'm just scattering the full boxes in the place where the holidays are. So the scripts that I'm using are from Alyssa's Craft Shop from the grab bag. Just marking Happy Thanksgiving, Black Friday, and Veterans Day. Moving on to the 9th, I pulled in the frame box from the weekly deco and some florals to mark Happy Birthday for my son. And on the 6th, I pulled in the circle and some florals to mark that I went live on YouTube for the first time. And on the 8th, I am marking that I received my Sadie stickers order. On the 13th is when I went to the spa with my friend and we did all of the things. So I did want to mark that. And I pulled in the character from the planner studio. And the next day I was able to sleep in. So I pulled in the pillow from White Deer Stationery. And I marked thanks auntie because she had the kids and then sleep in. So here on the 15th, I pulled in the little pumpkin seal from Simply Gilded to mark that I received my Simply Gilded order. On the 17th, I used the heart from the monthly kit to mark that we had ice cream, just randomly had ice cream with the boys this day. On the 19th, I did my grocery shopping. And on the 20th, I pulled in the half scallop circle, some florals, and the boy and the girl from Coffee Monsters Co. to mark that I hung out with my brother. Adding another pumpkin seal just for deco. And here I'm placing the washi script to mark, I guess, an amount of time. The kids were off of school from the 22nd through the 26th, so I just wanted to kind of mark that some kind of way. And then I'm using the square box here on the 27th and the little road icon from White Deer Stationery to mark that my mom went back home this day after having her down for Thanksgiving. The 28th, I pulled in 2 layering pieces to mark that I hit 300 subscribers. So that is it for this monthly. I hope you enjoyed. Here is a wiggle for you. If you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing.